All right, 2 more boxes of 5-star for Christopher. I'm going to put that up, and we are on to a new case. Daz Cameron, rookie, 30-23 of 50. And Darryl Strawberry, 5-star on-card auto. One of the most beautiful left-handed swings. Oh, way to keep going. We haven't hit one of these in a while. Keston Hiura. Christopher, way to keep going. And for the Angels, out of 25, the man, the legend, Mike Trout.
Good afternoon, All-Star Sports.
Last card of the case. 2 of 25.
I'm Jason. What's your last name? I'm sorry.
And people think you don't ever buy the last boxes. Way to keep going.
We moved them into grading on October 4th.
That's right. Sonia, get the camera.
Possibly,
Bring out the camera.
yes, they are speeding up, it appears. But I'm hesitant to say it'll be.
Congrats,
less,
man.
but
Thank you.
They did